Digital Image Processing. I am Kanakadurga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in EC department. I want to discuss on morphological image processing, opening and closing operations. Objectives of the talk is to understand opening and closing operation, to understand application of opening and closing operation, to apply opening and closing operation on any image matrix format. Prerequisites of the talk is basic set theory, image representation, dilation operation and erosion operation. We will discuss the prerequisites of the talk once. Basic set theory. In this, the image is represented in terms of a point format so that it is applicable to the set theory concept, and we should have the knowledge on union, intersection of operations, and we should have the knowledge on logical operations like truth table of OR, gate and AND gate. Image representation. Image is represented in the format of digital, that is the matrix format, and we can able to represent the image of digital in grid format also. Dilation operation. Dilation operation mainly applicable for in order to remove the noise of an object, and in order to increase the size of object. Erosion concept, mainly it removes the noise in the background and it decreases the size of an object. We will discuss in detail. Dilation. A dilated B is equivalent to P belongs to Z square. P equals to A plus B, where small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. We already discussed it in the previous video of dilation video. So what is the formula of it and what is the symbol of it? The symbol is plus signed with circle. In order to apply the dilation, any one of the value of the image has to coincide, should match with respect to the structuring element, then the value of dilation will be 1, otherwise the value goes for 0. And dilation operation, when we are applying the dilation operation on any image, the size of the object going to be increases. If I applying the dilation operation on the image, if any noise is present internally for the object, it removes the noise present in the object. So mainly we have to remember in the dilation, if any one of the pixel value is matching with respect to the structuring element, then the dilation value goes for 1, otherwise it goes for 0, and dilation operation increases the size of object and removes the noise present in the object. Erosion. Erosion minus with circle symbol will be erosion symbol. A erosion B will be equals to is a set of P belongs to Z square, where P plus B belongs to A, for every B element belongs to capital B. In this, all the positional values should match with respect to the structuring element. Then only the erosion value will be 1, otherwise the value goes for 0. Nothing but all the values of the structuring element should match with respect to the positional values of the A. Then only the value will be 1, otherwise it goes for 0. So full match occurs, then only the 1, otherwise it goes for 0. Erosion operation decreases the size of the object, and erosion removes the noise present in the background of the image. So the conclusions we have to remember, all the values has to match, then only the 1, otherwise it goes for 0. Erosion operation decreases the size of an object and removes the noise present in the background. So if you observe over in this, a dilation and erosion have some of the advantages and disadvantages. Dilation increases the size of the object of the boundary value. This is the disadvantage. Sometimes depending on the applications we can choose increasing the size of the object also, but normally it will be the one of the disadvantage. And advantages goes for the noise present in the object. It can able to remove the noise present in the object. Dilation operation. The erosion operation decreases the size of an object. This is the disadvantage, and removes the noise present in the background. This is the advantage with respect to the erosion. So if I am going to combinedly apply this operation simultaneously on the object, then it can able to increase or decrease the noises present in the object. Normally the noise of the object will be removed by the dilation, and on the background will be removed by erosion. So size of the object is increased by the dilation and decreased by the erosion. So it will be neutralized. So opening and closing transformation. What is the opening and closing transformation? Why we have to go for this? We already discussed that dilation and erosion have some of the advantages and disadvantages. Like if I apply the dilation, it increases the size of an object, but it going to remove the noise present in the object. So when it comes to the erosion, it removes the noise present in the background and decreases the size of object. So if I am going to apply combinedly on an image, it going to be neutralized. So for that purpose, we can apply dilation and an erosion operation on an image in order to remove the noise present in the object and background, so that the boundaries can be kept neutral with respect to the original image. But we have to remember, when we are applying the dilation and erosion operation on any image, we have to use the same structuring element. We have to take the same structuring element in order to apply the dilation operation and erosion operation. Which one we are applying the first? Either dilation or erosion. Depending upon that, it goes for opening and closing transformation. So closing transformation, the symbol goes for dot. So A dot B is the closing. Apply the dilation first. Next, whatever the resultant dilated image is there, on that we have to apply the erosion operation. So closing will be A dot B will be equals to A dilated B and resultant of erosion of B. Next one is opening. The opening, the symbol goes for dot with respect to the circle. A opening of B, apply the erosion first. After erosion of the image, we have to apply the dilation. So A opening of B will be equals to A erosion of B. The resultant we are going for apply the dilation of operation. Opening and closing operations and where we have to apply. If we are going to apply, what are the advantages of it? We will see that. Observe in this, this is the total image I am considering. In this total image, the fully occupied cells are objects and not filled cells are background. Actually, have considered the colors in order to show the difference between the objects. For that purpose, I have considered the different colors. But for the grayscale images, we'll have only the black and white. Objects goes for black color and background goes for white color. In order to show the variation only, I am assuming the colors. So this is the object 1 I am assuming. Okay. And this is for object 2. And this is the total image we have. In this, if you observe, another color is also present, but I am considering this is also for object 3. This is not actually the object. This is the noise has been added for the image with respect to the background. And in this is the object of object 1. These cells are not filled. Since this is another noise has been added for the object, it is not fully filled. So this is the noise for the objects we have, and in this is also noise with respect to the background. Okay, already we have discussed by applying the dilation operation, whatever the noise has been there within the object can be removed. So for this, if I apply the dilation for the image, this is going to remove the operation with respect to dilation operation. In this next object, in the erosion operation, we have observed such a way that if I am going to apply the erosion of operation on this, on the image, background noise are going to be removed. So by applying the erosion operation, I can able to remove the noise present in the background. So depending upon which one we are applying the first, it comes under the opening and closing. Suppose if I am going to apply the first erosion after the dilation, then it comes to the operation of opening. Or else if I am going to apply the dilation first, next for erosion, then it comes to the closing of operation. So we have to see the scenario depending upon which one we are going to apply the first. It comes under the category of opening and closing operation. So by applying, I am considering now first for closing of operation, I am going to apply the dilation of operation. If I am going to apply the dilation of operation, on the image, so what happens in this, it going to remove the noise present in the object. So it has been, the noise has been removed, so these cells will be filled by the fully filled, whatever the color, it comes to the same object. So these has been fully filled with respect to the dilation of operation. So when it comes to that, if I am going to apply the erosion operation, these cells are going to be converted to a background color. Nothing but it comes to the backgroundish nature, it going to be covered to white color. It converts to white color. So if you observe this image, totally we are going to having only two objects, object 1 and object 2, the next one is a background only. So depending upon the applications, we have to apply the opening and closing operations. Closing operation. In this, observe, I have taken the matrix of A and the structuring element is B. So we have to perform the opening and closing operation for this matrix of A. So first we will apply the closing operation, after that we will go for opening operation. So in this we have to do the analysis of closing, nothing but first we have to find out what is the dilation, and next resultant matrix, for that we have to apply the erosion. So observe in this matrix A, the A has been fully filled cells are ones, nothing but those are the objects, and non-fully filled cells are a background of the image. Since it is a grayscale image, we are considering only ones and zeros. If you observe in this scenario, observe this is an object, okay, and this also comes into the picture with respect to the object. Actually, even though it is an object, these should be ones, but due to the noise presence in the object, these are their pixel has been with respect to zeros. So once we apply this closing transformation, what will happen to the matrix A, we have to observe. So in this, in order to apply closing operation or opening operation, we have to consider the structuring element. The structuring element I am considering it as B, and with respect to structuring element we should have to know the origin. So I am considering the origin is the center pixel value. So if we are going to observe, the closing operation, nothing but first I have to go for calculation of a dilation. So A dilated of B. So dilation, how we are going to do? The center of the pixel value has to be kept matching with which image pixel value we have to do the dilation. So center has to be matched. So outside will be 1, another one will be this side. So if we have to observe that what are the matching elements and non-matching elements. If at least any one of the pixel has B matches with the structuring element on the position values of the image A, then the resultant will goes for 1. Otherwise the resultant goes for 0 for the dilation operation. So here in this case no null value, since 1 0 and 1 0 does not matches. Any one of the pixel is not matching. So the resultant goes for 0. The same case we have to do with respect to another one. So center should be, I have to calculate for this pixel. So center should be 1 on this side of the value goes for. So if you observe 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 does not match, so the resultant goes for 0. The same way analysis we have to continue for the till the end of the matrix, such a way that we have to calculate the dilation of operation. Whatever the resultant of dilation operation we got, A dilated of B, we have to go for erosion with respect to the B. The closing of the formula goes for A close of B will be equals to A dilation of B erosion with respect to B. We have to use the same structuring element. So for this is the resultant of the matrix for us. This resultant matrix, whatever we have to go for erosion on this. So same, the center has to be 1, this side 1, this side 1. So what happens? 1 0 does not matches, 1 0 does not matches. So resultant goes for 0. And center I want to calculate now for this. So this will be 1 and this will be 1, this will be 1. So once again does not match as 0. Since no one is existing in the first row, all the values are going to be 0 only. Next comes for next row. So outside will be 1, this will be the center and this will be the 1. So here matches, so the resultant goes for 1. This way we have to calculate the total for the matrix. The resultant matrix of the closing will be equals to 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. All last row is the 0. So this is a closing. So we have to compare with respect to the image A what happened. If you observe, whatever the noise pixels has been there, this noise pixels has been converted to 0 due to the presence of noise. The object value has been converted to background value. When we are applying the closing operation, the values are converted to, in this case, has been converted to ones of the case. Okay, these are the elements as being converted to ones. So this is the original image. This is the original image, and this is the closing of the image. If you observe, the noise pixel has been converted to fully filled cells over here in this. Anyhow, the boundary has been increased with respect to this. Even though this has been converted to noise, it has been converted to object. Next, opening operation. In the opening operation, we have to apply first erosion. Next, we have to apply dilation with respect to the structuring element. So if you observe in this case, same scenario, we have to consider the origin, and considering the same center pixel is the origin. So 1 1 1 does not match as 0. In this case, all the values should match, then only the resultant goes for 1, otherwise it goes for zeros for the erosion concept. So first we have to calculate the erosion. So we have to see all the pixel has to match, otherwise it goes for 0. So no one pixel, since no 1 is present in the first row, so all the pixel values of the erosion goes for 0. Come for the second one. So I am calculating for this ones in order to observe. So center has to be occupied for center, and one here and one here. If you observe, these two ones are matching, but this value is not matching. For erosion concepts, all the values should match. Then only the resultant goes for 1, otherwise it goes for 0. So the value goes for here 0. Next comes for the case of this pixel. So if the origin has to match with respect to center, this 1, 1, 1. In this case, all the values has been matching with respect to the structuring element, so the resultant goes for 1. So we have calculated the erosion. A erosion of B is this resultant matrix. This resultant matrix of erosion, we have to apply the dilation concepts. For application of dilation concept, so as it is the scenario, the central pixel should be placed and outside will be 1. If you observe no pixel value is matching, so resultant goes for 0. The same way we have to do the analysis. I will do for one case. So here goes for 1, 1 and 1. For this pixel I am doing the analysis right now. So if you observe, the 1, 1 is matching. For the dilation, if any one of the pixel value is matching, the resultant goes for 1. So here the pixel of the resultant value goes for 1. We have to do the operation for total matrix for in order to analyze for opening operation. So the opening operation of the resultant matrix is this. So if you observe, in this background of the values has been converted to, some of the values are going to be converted to ones. So whatever the background noise has been present, it will be removed. So this is actually the A. So in this case, these are the pixels with respect to the noise background of the pixels has been present with respect to an object. If I am applying the opening operation over here, this has been removed with respect to whatever the noise has been present in the backgrounds also. So the observations of opening and closing. Closing removes noise presence in the object, opening removes the noise presence in the background. And these are the references. Thank you.